The Eskimo is about to go down at least 20 trees. Let's hope he dies, folks.
Yeah.
Well, we can't mention that in real TV, but... Oh, shoot that! Oh! Okay, he's gonna come down. He's gonna try and jump through the trees. Eskimo Bill will attempt the know-how and the how-no. Okay, I think he's gonna go now. Oh my God! Oh my God! He might have hurt the tree.